Hi, my name's Marc Gill. This is Marc's on the Grill. We're going to make these really wicked quesadillas. We've got our flat top warming up here. If you don't got one of those, just grab a pan or whatever it is, and cast iron's really great. And we got our GMG smoker. Look what I got going on in here, man. That is a wood-fired pizza insert. And here's what's cool about this. I love this. See where it says there 250 degrees on the temperature, right? Everybody got that? Everybody writing that down? Perfect. Watch this. Watch this. You ready? My fancy dancy James Bond gadget. 570 degrees on the pizza stone. That's pretty cool, man. 250 somehow equals 570 inside that thing. I'm keeping that sucker. So, listen, we're not just making an average quesadilla this time. If I'm going to fire up a whole bunch of stuff, we're going to make it special. So, here's what I did. Blackened some chicken. Really nice. And I'm going to make this Maryland crab dip. So it's kind of like, it's like two videos in one today. That's really cool. You get a great crab dip recipe, and then we're going to take that, and we're going to make a quesadilla out of that. So you're going to start with a full 8-ounce block of cream cheese and warm it up. I'm going to get a half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Use Duke's if you know what's good for you. This is dry mustard seed, about a teaspoon of that going on there. This is, because we like it spicy, 2 teaspoons, or you know what, that one's to taste. Have fun with your hot sauce. I don't really care what you do. That is Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons. Then 2.5 tablespoons, very precise, lemon juice. That's what we're going to do there. And then garlic powder to taste. I like it. So that's about 3 tablespoons. Oh, sure, let's use our spoon. That's fun. You're going to make your life a lot easier if that cream cheese is softened. This was, did you just see it there? 3/4 of a cup of jumbo lump crab. Yum. That's the good stuff, man. That's the chunky stuff, the crab. I'm going to take this mixture of, you ready for this, my Canadian brethren? This is grated cheese curds, yellow and white. Sorry, yellow and orange. I mean, white and orange, whatever those 2 colors are. So we're going to do this so we get a bit of a pull out of here. Oh, man. So, I mean, if you've ever had poutine before, you know what a nice stretch you get out of poutine. So we're going to put that right inside. So that's done. That's perfect. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make 2 separate quesadilla builds. And we're going to do one in our wood-fired pizza oven insert. And we're going to do one on our flat top. So, you know, this summer, if you're looking for a different type of piece of equipment, something different to try, this is a nice little comparison for you. And if you're just looking for a recipe, I got to tell you, man, this is a good one. So you're going to want to get 2 tortillas for each one of these. I think, yeah, I'll do one on here. That's fine. And I'll make one on this guy. There we go. That one's going there, and then that one is going there. And we're going to make sure we hit the top of this with some more butter. Now, I think what's going to happen in that wood oven is we're probably going to get this puffing right up. So, I think, just to avoid any hiccups, I'm going to give that a little bit of a puncture there. Here we go. We get this one on the Blackstone, the flat top here. Here we go. Perfect. Now, a little tip for you. This does not need to be crazy, stupid, nutty hot. All right? You don't want that on super high at all because you're going to burn that thread before the cheese has a chance to melt. See, the smoker's got a bit of an advantage because it's an oven. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pop that on top.
Nice.
That dip is amazing in there, and the blackened chicken, that jumps right out. That's fantastic. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Oh, man, that is one pretty picture. Holy mackerel. All right, so this one should have all of those great flavors that we got on the flat top, and then add in that wood smoke flavor. So there's definitely a difference in the way it cuts. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be hot. This. Oh, wow. All right, here we go. Straight up, you taste the smoke right away. Hands down. Wow. Okay. Oh, Trish, you got it. What a difference. Try this. It's amazing. What do you think?
Delicious.
Nice. Wow. Guys, this has been a fun show. I appreciate you taking a couple of seconds. My name's Marc Gill. This is Marc's and the Grill.